Hey, what's up guys? Lunch Money Mo here and welcome to the channel. And today, me and my buddy Sunny are gonna test a fishing roulette strategy that I saw from Casino Matchmaker's channel. And with this strategy, we're covering 5 specific corners so that we have the same amount of high and low numbers, even and odd numbers, and red and black numbers. And if you guys want to play where I'm playing, check the link in the description of the video for a deposit bonus, and make sure to like and subscribe. I got new videos out every other day for you guys. And without any further ado, let's test the strategy. Alright guys, I'm back with my boy Sunny, and we're here to test another strategy for you guys. And for the bet setup, it's gonna be $2 each on these 5 corners that he's gonna place on. Yep.
98.
16, 20, and just mirror it.
Oh, alright.
All good, hopefully. It doesn't hit 31, 32, 34, 35 here.
Because we always hit.
It's all good. Hopefully, we just get the win.
Because, what's that? 10.
Okay,
so then,
okay,
say $2 right?
So, rebet, add that missing corner, and then double. Yep, that's it. So $20 on the board. We added the missing corner there. So these 5 corners are selected because now we have an even amount of red and black numbers, odd and even numbers, and high and low numbers. Really quick guys, I just want to mention that we're doing a giveaway. There will be 2 winners and the prize will be the roulette tracker plus a daily profit plan, and it's super easy to enter. All you have to do is click on the link in the description or the comment and just subscribe to the channel and follow me on Instagram. Basically just showing your support, and yeah, let's get back to the video. Alright, here we go guys. Spin number 2. Can we get the dub?
19.
Okay, we got it. Let's
19,
go.
let's
okay,
go.
so now we just reset to $2 each on that same pattern.
Alright, so one here, and it's this one.
Yeah, so just mirror.
Yeah.
You got it. Let's go.
Yeah.
So we started with 277. Okay, so that was the right balance. So 285. So I think we made $8. I think. Not 100% sure.
And players, wow.
13.
13.
We
Alright,
didn't.
so we missed it. So
Alright.
rebet and just double.
Also have your section players.
I like doubling. This makes you nervous, also gets me excited.
It's like when you're on the first date.
Yeah. I'm like nervous and the red's girl, but excited because if it goes well.
It's true. It's true. Alright, come on. Let's get a dub. Don't go to 0. 26. Okay, we got it. Nice.
Nice.
So,
I'm excited. I'm excited.
Alright, let's go back to step 1 now.
Step 1. Always hit.
We also have a zone section. Congratulations to those who guessed correctly, players.
So up $14.
Once again, let's set open.
Not too bad.
Thank you so much. Let's set close.
I mean, let's see if you can make 100, right?
Come on. Want the 100. You want the 100? You got 33?
Oh, we missed it.
No 100.
It's all good.
Okay. Alright, boys. Time to get excited. Or nervous.
I'm nervous because it's just a flat bet. You don't get to use your field power. That's where you come through.
Sure, Andy, that.
Yeah.
It can't be destiny if you don't let me feel it out.
That's true, man. Alright, come on. What do we have here?
Let's go, Zed. 11. We got it! Let's
Yes,
go.
sir.
Stay excited, guys. Stay excited.
Alright. Oh, technical difficulty.
Oh, it was going on. Oh, alright.
Oh, wait. Are we getting paid?
Did they give us our money?
Oh, what happened there? Oh,
I don't know.
no.
I think they know we're too good.
Dang. It's 12. Okay,
So we get double our money back, right? We get
I
double.
don't know what's happening here, guys.
Oh my God! Wait, what's going on?
Okay. Shoot.
What did I do?
Go back to step 1.
Alright. Let's go. 1, 9, 16.
For us,
Okay, Yes.
That's the open
Damn.
to start your lap. Time is almost over.
Let's go, I guess.
Alright.
Come on.
It's meant to be.
Today.
I think we're up 20? Not 100% sure. 5. Okay, we got it. Let's
Yeah,
go.
okay,
Let's go. Let's
okay.
go. Let's go.
5 that go
Alright,
off.
step 1.
Second column,
Hit.
first
305.
person, and we have
Thing broke.
section.
Keep doing it.
Up 28 right now. Let's go.
To those who guessed correctly first.
The goal is
And for us
To always hit.
once again.
to 100.
200. Okay, go.
I mean, yeah,
Alright,
to always hit
go.
us.
Thank you very much. Hands up.
Oh,
Laughter.
man.
That's a close.
How do you like the flat bet strategy?
Okay.
19.
We got it. You got it. I love it now. I love it now.
Let's go.
First column, second dozen, and
Another $8 right there.
Step 1.
Step 1. That's it.
well done to those who guessed correctly, players. And
So this covers like half the board, right? So it covers half high and half the colors.
Well, the way with these 5 corners, the numbers that we have, it's like half black, half red, half high, half low, half odd, and half even.
Okay.
From our numbers, though.
Yeah. 17. Tiny song?
Let's go.
Oh, tiny song. All right.
Yeah, let's go. Another $8.
It's 17 black low off. Second column.
Alright.
Second
Keep hitting.
Just keep hitting.
Art line section.
So we started with 1277. So we need to get to 1377.
Of European roulette.
Simple math.
So,
And mess them. Yeah.
Let's close players.
How many hits is that?
I don't know. You
Like
tell
4?
me you're
Like
the
4?
9 time of the day.
No, we only win $8
Per
for
one.
the first
17. Go tiny. Let's go.
Go tiny song again. Let's go.
Back to back. We call that a go tiny hit.
Oh, man.
Second column.
Never heard of that.
And we also have an
I came with it.
Okay. So you tell me we're at 1329. How many more hits do we need to get to 1377?
1377. That's like $40. 6.
6?
Yeah.
All right.
Don't check on math. Don't check on math.
Hopefully his wife doesn't see this video because he's an accountant.
I have a calculator.
Oh, you think so? Okay.
I'm just using my head here.
36. Oh, we missed it. Dang, it's all good.
6 red high even. Third column.
And we double.
Yes.
Alright. I'm not
So
nervous.
if we lose here, you're gonna double and add $2 each. On
Okay.
the corners.
Okay,
So
it's 10 each.
10 each. Yes.
Quick math. Quick math.
Very smart.
511
That's how I got my job.
of the day.
I hope so.
If you double 4, add 2. What is it?
Let me get my calculator.
10.
2.
10.
Ooh.
It's nice.
Alright, reset.
Reset.
Let's go. Come on.
Reset.
Second column, first dozen, and we also have a zone section. Well done.
Nice.
For sure.
And it's time to play once again.
So we need 5 more, I think.
I wish you
Yeah, 5 more hits.
success.
Come on.
Players look
11.
at
We got it.
what
Let's
Nice,
go.
nice.
4 more hits, guys.
Second
Come on. Come on.
Second column, first dozen.
Repeat. That easy.
Well done to those who guessed correctly, players. And it's time to play again. Thank you very much, players. Second round is almost
Thank you
over.
very much.
So, wish you all the best.
Alright, come on. 3 more, right? Or 4 more? I can't remember.
4.
4?
4, yeah.
Very smart.
A little smart. 33! Oh.
Free back. High off. Third column, first dozen.
Double it. All right.
Congratulations to those who guessed correctly, players.
When step 1 don't work, we go step 2.
Alright, all good. Still up
Feel
$56.
free to try your luck. Thank you very much, players. I really hope that you
Come
have
on, hook us up.
Alright,
Alright, if we lose here, what do we do?
Double. And add 2.
Yes.
Off today.
Damn, very smart.
Sorry. What? 2.
2. Yes,
Nice,
got
see?
it. I just remembered 2. Didn't hit it earlier.
Black, low even.
Let's go. Come on.
Second column, first dozen.
3 more.
And we also have a zone.
Oh, I meant let me do that.
Congratulations. And the first that the crowd just started.
Up $72 right now, guys. Come on.
Straight up, straight back.
I don't gotta tell this guy what to do anymore. He knows it now.
It's like I've been doing it my whole life.
Yeah.
So we are.
I got one job, just press the button.
15 time of the day.
Hey, you know the bets now, bro. Getting the hang of it.
Ding, 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 ding,
34. We got it.
We got it. Nice.
Come on. 2 more?
High even. First column.
No. This is the same we were told.
We also have an offline section.
Gotta hit 77, right?
Yeah.
1377. So 20, 16, like 2.5.
Two,
Oh,
yeah,
that one
like
came
3
out.
more, yeah. 3 more.
Thank you so much. Fingers crossed, players. We are spending for a day 560.
Mean Girls.
time of the day.
I don't know why I remember that scene.
Players, look.
33. Oh, I
wait.
missed it.
Oh God.
Hey,
They actually had the 33.
Yeah.
That's the second time she get that.
Oh, we do that.
Oh, okay, we doubled it.
Yeah.
Let's move on to the next game of European
Come
roulette.
on, guys. We need like 2.5 more hits.
damn, 30 hit a couple of times there.
33? Oh, yeah, it did. Wow.
They haven't switched dealers in a while, right?
No.
No? Alright.
I mean, 30 minutes they switch, I think.
Okay.
Ooh,
Wait, what? 36?
Oh my god.
Oh, no.
Okay, so what do we do here?
You gotta double and add 2.
Yes.
Alright.
And we also have
Alright, so $50 total on the board.
Hopefully you won't have to use step 4.
Yeah. Step 4 is $22 each.
The players, we
I'm getting a little nervous, but
What happened? Oh, no, it's it.
No, wait.
Oh, we're back. We're back. Come on, just go back to 2. I know that's a winner for sure.
Is that
7?
Oh no.
No.
7 that go
What
on.
am I doing?
Yeah. 22 on each.
20, so double and add 3, right?
Yeah.
Alright.
And it's time to play once again.
Dang, 110 on the board. So we're at break even right now.
So,
We need a win, guys.
that's the close.
Come on.
Well, if we hit that one time, we back. Somebody,
Oh,
let's
man.
go. Come on.
Players, look at
I'm super nervous. Was it 3?
Yes!
Oh, I'm
Oh
excited.
my god, we're back.
I'm excited.
Okay, guys. Let's go.
Alright.
Reset.
Damn.
I was clenching there. Like, I was getting nervous.
Alright. 365. We need to go to 377. So yeah, 2 more wins. Damn. That was pretty crazy.
It was. I was like, oh, wait. I don't want to see step 4 again. I don't want to see it.
Oh man. 8. Oh, we got it.
Nice.
Come on,
One more.
man. One more.
Second column, first
Alright.
section, and we also have
Last one.
Congratulations to those who succeeded.
I feel it. We're gonna hit
Time to play one more time.
one more time.
I hope it shouldn't to spin the ball.
So we're up $96. If we win here, we'll be up 104. Come on. Make it easy. Make it easy. Don't go to 0.
That's it.
That's
That's it. 3. We got.
God, never easy. Never easy.
They want to keep playing.
They know.
No, double, right?
Yeah.
2?
No, double.
The next one, sorry.
Yeah.
We are about to start a 500.
Come on, guys. Just one more.
You're like right there.
We're so close. That's how they always get us, bro. When it's one more spin, right?
We said last one is never the last one.
It's never the last one. Come on.
So wow, where's the
5. Oh, but that's the last one. All right.
All right, we made $102. Yeah, let's call it, right?
Yeah.
All right, guys. If you guys enjoy the video and if you guys like Sunny, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you all next time.
See you later.